What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. I got my box cutter, so you already know what time it is. We are doing an unboxing, but today's unboxing is a little bit different. I haven't unboxed an art toy yet on this channel, so we are going to be doing that for the first time. So what I have here is the Mighty Jaxx Danil Yad fashion designer figure, which obviously looks a little bit like Virgil Abloh. So let's go ahead and open this up because I'm excited to see it. I can't tell y'all how long I waited for this. Let me open it this way so y'all can see it. Okay, so it's got that shiny box, the off-white inspired box. That's a nice touch, I'm not even gonna lie. I expected like a regular black box, kind of like what came with the Tinker Hatfield figures that he did, but this is different. I like this. All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh, stuff fell out. So this is the Mighty Jaxx authentication card, I guess. Yeah, so it's Mighty Jaxx and it says for real verified and it has like a little QR code on there. I'm guessing this is my receipt. We can look at that later. Pull this styrofoam back. This is packaged really well. I was not expecting this. Let's take a look at that. All right, so we gotta turn it this way. It really does look like Virgil Abloh. They did a really good job with the likeness of him without obviously getting it too close because it can't be a one-to-one, but the likeness is spot on. So let's start with the little extras that come with the figure and then I'll pull out the figure itself. You have this little black shoe box and inside of here, yep, it should be a pair of shoes. And these are actually the off-white 5s, which I have the off-white 5s in the black colorway. These are really cute, like they're just, you know, little small shoes or whatever. I like that. This is not my first art figure. It's my first art figure from Danil Yad and Mighty Jaxx, but I do buy art figures kind of regularly. It's my nerdy guilty pleasure. So let me go ahead and put this to the side. The figure is actually a little bit bigger than I was expecting. I will go get a Funko Pop just for like size comparison. This is my first Danil Yad figure. So you can see Virgil Abloh with the white t-shirt that says logo on the chest, the blue jeans, and the UNC ones. Let me go grab that Funko Pop so y'all can get a side-by-side comparison of just how tall he is. So this is my Tyler Durden Funko Pop from Fight Club. If y'all don't know what Fight Club is, definitely check out that movie. It's one of my favorites. So side-by-side, here's a size comparison of Tyler Durden to Virgil Abloh. I was honestly expecting Virgil to be a little bit shorter, or maybe I should stop saying that. The fashion designer figure, I was expecting it to be a little bit shorter, maybe about where his chest is. So I'm very happy that it is actually, you know, a larger figure, a little bit more substantial, because that makes me feel like I got my money's worth. And basically he holds on to the shoebox if you want him to. So you can put the shoebox in his hands like that and he'll hold on to it, and obviously you can put the shoes on top of the shoebox. I'll go ahead and show that to y'all as well, and of course I'll do b-roll so that you guys can see all of this a little bit more up close and personal. But basically the shoes sit on top of the box like this or like this, however you want them to sit. They sit on top of the box, and you can also switch the shoes on his feet. So if I want to put him in the off-white 5s and put the Jordan 1 UNC on top of the box, I can do it that way as well. So you have a little bit of versatility. I did order the Virgil Abloh Icons book, so I plan to kind of put this on top of the book in my little setup that I will be building soon back here. Now I will say, Mighty Jaxx, I have a little bit of an issue with them. I'm happy with the figure and I'm glad that I like it because I was honestly considering selling it when it did show up, and that's because it took so damn long. This is my first time placing an order with Mighty Jaxx. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how long this took. So I placed my order on June 21st with Mighty Jaxx, and this showed up on February 12th. Just let that sink in, how long I was actually waiting for this figure. And that's not really what bothered me the most. What bothered me the most is that Mighty Jaxx just kept pushing it back without giving any type of explanation or emails. You really have to look for yourself and see if they've updated, you know, the pre-order like tracker or whatever that they have on their website. So it just kept saying, oh, it's pushed back, it's pushed back, it's pushed back because of this, that, and the third. And I get it, COVID, manufacturing, all of that stuff is an issue right now, but That's a really long time from June to February. All of that aside, I am happy with it. Like I said, it does have some versatility. I like figures where you can kind of switch them up and change little things about them. The build quality feels solid. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. And also beware, because there are a lot of fake Danil Yad figures out there. So if you're looking to pick one up, definitely go through some type of verified retailer, because there are a lot of fakes out there and they're charging, you know, a decent amount of money for a figurine to be fake. Don't get caught up. But yeah, the build quality feels really nice. I like the versatility, the packaging, like this mirrored reflective box with the stripes on it, giving you that off-white vibe. I think that was really dope. The shipping is just what got me. Like I said earlier, you do get this little card telling you how to authenticate your product. There's a sticker on there and then you can just peel it off and scan it basically. And you also get this card that comes with it, which is a Mighty Jaxx certificate of authenticity. It just says that it's genuine, authentic, and passed inspection. So when I was closing everything up to put it back in the box so I could film the next video for today, I noticed that the zip tie for one of my shoes is actually broken. The zip tie for one of the off-white 5s is like snapped off. And I was wondering what that sound was, like the rattling sound inside, but I didn't think nothing of it. And when I pulled out the shoes to put on top of the box, I didn't see it. I just thought that maybe it was only one zip tie on the shoe, but no, it's broken. So much for passing inspection. So there you have it, my unboxing and a little bit of a review of the fashion designer figure from Mighty Jaxx and Danil Yad. Overall, happy with my purchase. Just hope that they get it together with the shipping. I'll be sure to include B-roll so y'all can see everything and all the parts up close. If you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.